Hey Siri, call Jello. The ability to just lay down and demand something to play you music or turn on the lights, just like if you're a king or queen, well, artificial intelligence can do that. It might be strange for those who haven't used it, but probably for those who think that the robots are going to destroy the world. But either way, we must adapt to it because it's going to become sooner or later. I first saw artificial intelligence as just robot, but through time, I found that it's more than just that. I started seeing how Iron Man would command a computer to make more important and cool tasks, and how the Flash would tell its computer to activate its suit, and that was just amazing to me. Today, I'll tell you about the purposes that artificial intelligence have in today's society. First, I'll describe how artificial intelligence has acted as the main driver of emerging technologies, and second, I'll discuss the cons of artificial intelligence. Today, we have seen how artificial intelligence has been adapting its way into societies, and the reason being, obviously, is because it's intelligent. Artificial intelligence has acted as the main driver of emerging technologies such as big data, robotics, and IoT, and it will continue to act as such a technological innovator. AI has saved countless working hours with its astonishing data collecting speed. According to Kevin Gardner from the Towards Data Science, he states that AI can be used to analyze large amount of data to draw conclusive reports, and if the same thing were to be done by humans, it would take a significantly longer time. Also, the data taken by the AIs is far more accurate than the reporting times of a human. The possibility of error for an AI is slim, but the chances of a human having an error is more common than an AI. Unlike humans, AI do not need rest. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average full-time American works for about 8.5 hours a day. The AI could work 24 hours a day, non-stop. That is 15.5 hours longer than the average American. It can work all day, giving the same performance and consistency throughout the whole day. This improves the efficiency of the business and allows the industry to run smoother, quicker, and more efficient. AI may be a faster AI might be faster than humans on many things, but there are downsides about it. AI is still being developed, so it's not as perfect as we anticipate it to be. As it brings benefits, it brings cons. Once AI starts taking over the technological world, there is going to be less and less jobs. According to John Hayworth from the World Economic Forum, there is a chance that 30% of the existing jobs on the OECD could be the potential risk of automation by the mid-2030s. As technology continues to progress, there is going to be a point where a similar industrial revolution is going to happen. This is perhaps going to be one of the biggest advantages of AI, as it reduces the needs of humans' interference. This can be an advantage to organizations, but a nightmare for employees. As we move to higher technology, this may lead to a cause of humans becoming lazier in the workforce. With statistics from Pew Research Center, 46% of digital mature organizations say that they have a defined AI strategy. Original work that is mostly done by humans are now being taken over by AI. The important knowledge that we once had is now being done by AI. So now that AI exists, we're getting taken away this important knowledge that every human being should have, such as critical thinking or mathematics. If the day were to come when we just wipe out all of AI, we would not be able to proceed without them. And I don't know, when technology gets far more advanced than today, we would probably end up like the people from Wall-E, just going into space and listening to the artificial intelligence. In conclusion, I explained the purpose of AI bringing today's society in ways that we did not know about. I described how artificial intelligence acted as the main driver of emerging technologies and discuss the cons of on it. The next time you think about AI, you won't just think about a killing robot machine, but an intelligence that can build a future that we strive for. It brings us great results, yet great disasters. Hey Siri, hang up.